Investigative interviewing techniques are essential for gathering accurate and reliable information in various contexts, including workplace investigation, criminal investigation, and human rights investigation. The purpose of this workshop is to enhance our understanding of the principles of human rights and the skill needed to conduct effective investigation interviews in narcotic cases. Ladies and gentlemen, regardless of the purpose, it is crucial that we conduct interviews in a manner that uphold human rights and legal framework to protect the community from heavy-handed methods of policing. In conclusion, I would like to emphasize the importance of upholding human rights and the role that we can play in promoting and protecting these rights in our professional capacity. By enhancing our understanding of the principles of human rights and the skills needed to conduct effective investigation interviews, we can better serve our communities and ensure that justice is served while keeping our country drug-free.